Barrett Rec 7 DI-SBR color gray. So ano to, tungsten na gray. So full metal unit, metal yung front, metal yung receiver with Barrett markings. Ayan, polymer hand grip, receiver lang for attachment, then Tri-Toc stock. So ito yung kabilang side. Shoutout kay boss Mark. Mark din. O Mark ah.
Mark din siya.
Okay. Oo nga, Mark ka. Okay, so kasama sa box is itong sights, front and rear sight. May kasama na rin siyang adapter for battery, rail for attachment, and then magazine capacity is 120 rounds na Tri-Toc Max. Or 140 rounds, not sure, walang naka-label, pero usual is 120 rounds. Okay, so test natin. Yung battery niya pala guys nandyan sa ilalim or nandun sa may duluhan ng stock. Sige, test natin. Auto. Okay, so yun guys, for questions regarding this unit, PM kayo sa Mavs Happy PH.